My name's Sam, I'm the COO of Sodaclick, and we're here today at the ISE 2020 showcasing our content platform and various solutions. So, Sodaclick starts with the create, publish, update mantra. So here we have our content platform. This is the basic editor where you can do your basic changes. We can go into the actual application, set the image sizes, do different changes, animation. And once we post from here, it posts as an HTML5 web link. We have a screen manager where we can post this to the screens, or you can post that link into a CMS. From there, you can set your various solutions. Our first solution is data. So we can have different data strings into the content. We have Google Sheets here. So for instance, if I want to change from poached eggs to boiled eggs, I'll just go ahead and click that. And then we'll see that the poached eggs will change to boiled eggs, and also the actual content will change. There we are. So if you have a database that's automatically changing, that will change on the go. The second solution that we have here is touch. So this is for our POS and kiosk solutions. We have remote interaction and local interaction. So this one is for clean juice. If we click white, that will show us their white juice. If we click orange, that will instantly take that and give you more information about the product. Our final solution is voice, and this is the latest solution that we're showcasing today in partnership with Intel and also Vestel. We have a few different solutions at the ISE. So this is activated by motion. Show me breakfast times. Show me breakfast times. And we can also set voice playback on this. This is all done within Sodaclick on the platform. It takes over 100 languages, and that's pretty much it. If you want to find out more information, go to sodaclick.com.